Welcome to English 102, College Reading and Composition 2. Who am I? I'm Nuala Mary Linka, also known as Nunu. I'm not your boss. Not your boss. I'm not God. Nope. I'm your friendly teacher guide. But who are you? You're my student. That's true. I'm going to point to learning and I'm going to say it's over there and you're going to learn it. Okay, I can't learn for you. You're going to learn on your own. So when I say you're my student, that's what I'm doing. I'm your guide. I'm pointing out the way. Okay? But you're also my teacher. You're going to come up with amazing things, insights into class readings that I didn't think of. And you're going to teach me, and you're going to teach me how to teach you. You're my collaborator. We work together. And here's the biggest truism, the biggest truth I've learned as a teacher. And what is it? Here it is. Without each other's help, we will not be successful in this course. We teach each other. There's not just one red apple for me. There are two red apples, and the other one is for you. The teaching learning process is collaborative. I'm not your boss. I don't think I'm your boss. I definitely know I'm not God. I'm your teacher guide, okay? So that is what's going on in this course. That is what is going on in every teaching learning course. Okay, let's go into our English 102 Canvas shell and find out how it's organized here. I'm going to make it all visible to you here. And we are in home, and you can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items on the menu. I don't have a big long list, and I keep the list small because I think it's confusing to have a lot of things. Okay, so let's survey this and find out what's going on. The Canvas software generates the to-do list for you, everything that's due, and it's very helpful because you can click on X's when you're done with something and you can check it off that you finished that assignment. Okay, I keep everything in modules right here, all of our class assignments, and we'll go into that in a moment. What I have here in home, think of it as my bulletin board in a classroom. I like to change the images every week, and I also have a link to modules. I have week 1 in modules, April 8th through the 14th, 2019. Discussion 1, which is an assignment you'll do, FAQ, frequently asked questions, and a literary terms quiz. And I have this little icon here showing you that this is a link. So this is my bulletin board, and I put the to-do list for the week here. I think that all these items here can sometimes be confusing, so I like to just focus on what's due that week. Now, on my bulletin board this week, what do I have? I have the word pulchritude, which means beauty, or actually physical beauty. And there's a video here that will teach you how to pronounce it. So the pronunciation of pulchritude. Now, pulchritude is the literary theme in our class, and that's why I have it on the first week's bulletin board. We are going to be reading a play and stories, a lot of literary works, and we're going to focus on pulchritude, how important physical beauty is to the characters in the stories and in the play, how they define pulchritude. And we're also going to focus on your life and my life. How important is physical beauty to us? Why do I have makeup on my eyes when I can't see it? What does pulchritude mean? And let me put on my glasses again so I can see. And so this is my bulletin board here in home with a to-do list to modules. So modules, you can click on it here again or in this handy link. I'm going to click on it here. And here we are. We are in modules. You have all of the assignments for the semester are listed here. Everything you need to read, everything you need to write, everything you need to do. Now, I want you to be careful about the due dates that you see right here. In modules, I list the last day of an assignment, but you need to begin working on an assignment right away on Monday, because remember, we are in an 8-week course. We're not in 16 weeks. We don't have a lot of time to do things. We're working in just 8 weeks, doing twice the work that we would normally do. So this is an accelerated course. So let me click on the first assignment and just show you something important about due dates. It's the timeline, which is always in red. You want to be aware of this timeline here. I usually have a part 1 and a part 2 for an assignment, and I have the due dates here. I'm going to go back into modules, and I'm going to show you the flaw in the software is that I'm able to list only one due date. Because we're in a literature course, we're in discussions, you need to participate right away on Monday. And again, let me emphasize that's particularly true for the discussions. Okay, I'm going to go back into home. I'm going to click the back arrow to get back into home, or I could have just clicked on home. So we know that home is my bulletin board. I have a link to modules right here. Below modules, I have the syllabus. And I used to have a big long syllabus that students had to wade through. And right here I want to show you that all the different parts of the syllabus, I feed it to you in small bite-sized pieces, such as the course description, what we're doing in this course. It's right here. All the different parts that we include in the syllabus. And I wanted to emphasize item 12, which is DSPNS and ADA rights. If you have a learning disability, I have all the information here. You need to become a client of DSPNS, and I have all that information. And while I'm here, I just wanted to mention to you that I have a learning disability. I'm a spatial dyslexic. If you have a learning disability, it doesn't mean you're stupid. It means you're different, you're special. I don't like the term special needs because it makes us seem off, and we're not off. We're unique. Every person is unique, okay? So please contact DSPNS if you have special needs because you're special and you're unique. If you have autism, autism runs in my family, DSPNS can help you. And we know that autism doesn't mean that we're dumb or stupid or that we're off. We're just different. We're special. We're unique. Every person is special. Okay. So I'm going to click back into the syllabus, make you aware that it's here. I also have pages, and pages contains all our literary works. I click on view all pages. So if you ever want to get to them this way, you can. Grades is super important. Grades you click on to read my notes to you and to find out what grade you've received. I'll never just slap a grade on an assignment and give it to you. I have copious notes, lots of notes that I'll give you. You also have Office 365, which has lots of neat apps you can use, including word processing apps. So take advantage of this. And very important, you have Canvas tutorials here. If you're not familiar with Canvas, if you don't know how to work in the system, go ahead and go into Canvas, okay? All the tutorials are here. So I'm going to click back on my bulletin board in home, and I'm going to tell you I'm glad you're in this class. I care deeply about your learning. I am your teacher, I am your student, and you're my teacher and my student. Let's have a great semester. Let's learn things that are meaningful, that will help us academically and also in life. All right, let's get started.